Here's a new 2025 Ford F-150 Lightning. When lightning strikes, it leaves its mark. Plug into a powerhouse whose time has come. And get ready for an impressive combination of features: automatic transmission, four-wheel drive, driver selectable mode, mirror-mounted spotlights, integrated navigation system with voice activation, Wi-Fi hotspot, dual zone climate control, trailer hitch receiver, steering assist cruise control, and electric-only powertrain. Ford is America's best-selling vehicle brand. You need to drive it to believe it. See it for yourself today.